So it's time to take your medicine. See, you're already having cold. You're having cold. God. Yeah, take. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Take it! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh no! You gotta take your medicine. Good boy. You are almost there at 1 meal. No. Don't bring it out. You're almost there, okay? Time to take your medicine. Oh, sorry, baby. But take. You're almost there. Take. Wait now. Sorry. Yeah, take. One more. How did you catch this cold? I don't know. What happened? What happened? How did you catch your cold? Sorry. I think your mouth. Open. Wait now. I'm trying to feed you. I'm pushing my hand. Don't push my hand. It's gently. It's not milk. Wait. Calm down. Wait. Calm down. Oh yeah. Take. See, you don't want it. You don't want to take from your syringe. Oh yeah, take. You don't want to finish your medicine. So I'm going to put it here in your bottle and see if you can take it from here. Oh yeah, take. Suck. Oh my god, he's sucking it. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's almost gone. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, take. Take. Okay. Oh yeah, suck it. That's massive. Oh my gosh, you just finished it. Yes. So I put the remaining medicine because I gave him. He doesn't want to take it. So I have to put it in his bottle. Like pour it in his bottle. Oh, sorry, baby. You're having cough. Oh my gosh, that's too early. Oh yeah, take. Oh yeah. You're almost done, baby. Take. Yeah, suck. Yeah, you did it. Yeah, you did it. Yeah, take. Oh my gosh, it's almost gone. Like he finished. Yeah, suck. Suck now. Good. You're good, doing a great job. Bango, finish it. Goodbye. Clap for yourself. Pa. Yeah, take it now. Take it now. Take it now. No. Goodbye. Yeah, suck. Oh, okay. So, if your baby doesn't want to take his or her medicine, so the best remedy is for you to just put it in put the syringe in his bottle to suck. Yeah, it's oh sorry baby. It's so easy. He will just suck it like yeah, suck the remaining one, just remaining small left. Yeah, he did good. Sorry. Oh yeah. Yay, clap for yourself. You did a great job. So you have to put your hat on because of cold. I don't know why you have cough. Me too. I have to cover my